Today we're making a smooth and cozy broccoli and potato soup. Comforting, flavorful, and made without heavy dairy. Here's what I'm using. Potatoes, fresh broccoli, onion, garlic, a little turmeric, thyme, a bay leaf, water, and a splash of coconut milk to finish. Warm a little oil in your pot and add your onion and garlic. Cook until soft and fragrant. Add your potatoes and a pinch of turmeric. Stir to coat everything, then pour in your water and drop in the bay leaf. Let the potatoes cook until they start to soften. Add your broccoli and a little thyme. Let it cook until everything is tender and your kitchen smells warm and cozy. Blend the soup until smooth, leaving a few tiny broccoli bits for texture. Stir in a splash of coconut milk to make it creamy. Simple, warm, and comforting. This broccoli and potato soup is creamy without the cream. For the full recipe, check out the pinned comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.